Okay, this video, if you went ahead and did the practice or if you pause the video and do them, it's up to you. But I'm going to show you the setup for the rest of these and the answers that I got. And hopefully we agree. Hopefully I did them right. But here we go. Number 5, the circumference. The circumference is 2 times, here I'm going to write it again here, 2 times pi, or 2 times pi times the radius. So I go 2 times 3.14 and the radius is 2. So on the calculator you go 2 times 3.14 times 2 and the circumference ended up for me being for number 5, 12.6 kilometers. And then the area is pi r squared, so the area is 3.14 times the radius is 2 to the second power, so actually 2 times 2 would be 4. So on the calculator, 3.14 times 2 times 2, or you can also go 3.14 times 4, since you already know that would be 4. But I ended up with rounding, I got 12.56 on my calculator. I got 5.6, so this will actually round up to 6. Okay, square kilometers. Number 6, you have circumference would be 2 times pi. Let me move it over a little bit. 2 times pi, this, I'll circle it. That's the formula. So it's pi is 3.14 times the radius is 9. So the circumference, when you go 2 times 3.14 times 9, I ended up with number 6. 56.5 miles. Okay, and then the area, again, I'm going to start speeding through these a little bit so the video doesn't end up so long. I have 3.14 is pi. The radius is 9 times 9 squared. So if you do that on the calculator, 3.14 times 9 times 9, or times 81, you should end up with number 6 here. I got 254.34, so it just says it's 3 miles squared. Okay. Number 7. Number 7, the circumference is 2 times 3.14 times 6, and the answer I got was 37.7 feet. And then the area is pi is 3.14 times the radius is 6 squared, so the area equals, I got 113.04, which just rounds to 0 feet squared. Okay, and then number 8, the circumference. So see the formula here is 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times the radius is 8.4. You multiply those and I ended up with 52.8 feet. Okay, and then the next one, the area, to find the area, it's pi is 3.14. The radius squared, 8.4, It's the radius squared, so I go 3.14 times 8.4 times 8.4. The area ends up being 221.6. Whoops, square feet, feet squared. Get that in there. And then the last two, I'm just going to, you put the numbers in and see if you can get it. But the last two on this section, and then I'll do the back page on the next video. The circumference, I ended up with 446.5 kilometers. And the area, I ended up with 171.9 kilometers squared. So check and make sure I did it right. And then number 10, you put the numbers in, and I'm just going to show you what I got. I ended up with the circumference being 50.2 meters. And then the area, I ended up with, it came out to 200.96. So rounding to the 10th place, that becomes a 10. So the area ends up being 201, 0.0 square meters. Okay, so that's the front page, and then the next video I'll do the 6 on the other page.